Physiologically, ciliary movement acts to clear the airways. The gel phase captures the exogenous contaminants inhaled during respiration and humoral factors. The cilia, beating in the lower sol phase of the mucus, drive the mucus gel towards the oropharynx where it can be swallowed. A coordinated system between mucus production and ciliary clearance allows an effective elimination of the secretions. In pathological conditions, during exacerbations and in the presence of inflammation processes, hypersecretion and a different mucus composition can alter the normal mucociliary escalator. Even at tidal volume, respiration supports the mucociliary system. Airflows produce a shear force on the mucus gel phase in the same direction as the flow. Therefore, a greater peak of expiratory flow than the peak of inspiratory flow guarantees an effective transport of the mucus towards cephalad direction. Cough is the primary defense of the airways and is based on the sudden and violent expulsion of air from the lungs. The peak expiratory flow during cough is very high and able to expel a large quantity of mucus and other material from the upper airways, avoiding the risk of obstruction. In the free aspire mode, the EFA technology uses a patented connection to accelerate the exhaled tidal flow, promoting a gentle mobilization of secretions from the middle to the upper airways. A turbulent flow is generated inside the connection, and when this flow meets the flow exhaled by the patient, the latter is accelerated and drawn out. No negative pressure is created in the airways. In the free aspire mode, mucus reaches the upper airways very slowly and can be expelled or swallowed. In spontaneous breathing, at tidal volume, the patient can be connected to the special valve by a mouthpiece or a mask, or the valve can be connected directly to the tracheostomy tube. Free aspire follows the natural breathing pattern of the patient and does not require any kind of collaboration. Totally safe, the device causes no discomfort to the patient.